Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. My YouTube channel is to make home cooking both fun and practical. Cooking rice always seems to be difficult until you have done it. Then it appears to be so simple. Rice is one of the cheapest and most versatile carbohydrates out there. I bought this 25 pounds of rice from Sam's Club for less than $10. Our family loves rice. We almost eat rice every day, but still, this bag of rice will last us 2 to 3 months. I use long grain rice most of the time, and I'm going to use it in this demonstration. It is also the type of rice commonly found in the supermarkets. There are many different ways to cook rice. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 different ways, and you might find the one that most suitable for you. The easiest ways to cook rice is to use a rice cooker, which is what I use every day. And I think every family should have a rice cooker. I use a very simple rice cooker. All you have to do is to press a button. But there are also programmable rice cookers out there which cost more, and I prefer the simple one better because it is more economical as well. I recommend a 14-cup rice cooker over a 6-cup one. It is larger, more versatile, and it also comes with a steam basket. The rice cooker is so simple and easy to operate. In here, I cook 2 cups of rice in 2 cups of water. I press the button and 17 minutes later, the rice is done. The rice is firm and fluffy, exactly how I like it. The second method to cook rice is use a programmable pressure cooker. I have one similar to the Instant Pot, and it cooks rice pretty good as well. I also cook 2 cups of rice in 2 cups of water. The cook time is about 8 minutes, but it takes a little while for it to build up pressure, so the total cook time is about 15 minutes, a little bit less than the simple rice cooker. When I use the same water to rice ratio, the programmable pressure cooker makes rice with a little bit more moisture. Otherwise, it works out really well. However, I still prefer my simple rice cooker. The third method is the old-fashioned method, that is to cook rice in a saucepan on top of the stove. Again, I cook 2 cups of rice in 2 cups of water in my stainless steel saucepans on top of my glass top electric stove. I turn the stove to the highest setting till the water starts to boil, and then when the rice starts to steam, I turn it down to the lowest setting. I turn the stove off after 5 minutes, and I let the rice to sit for another 5 minutes before I serve it. The rice turned out almost exactly the same as if I would have cooked it in my rice cooker. The last method is to cook the rice in the microwave oven. This is a very easy and efficient way if you only want to cook a small amount of rice quickly. I used a 2.5 cup casserole dish to cook 1 cup of rice in 1 cup of water. I microwave the rice at the highest setting for 10 minutes, and then I let it sit for about 2 or 3 minutes before I serve it. The microwaved rice definitely is a little bit different. It has a firmer and more crunchy texture than the other 3 methods. Without any question, the simple rice cooker is the easiest way to cook rice. In less than 2 minutes of putting everything together, you will have rice ready without having to attend to it in about 20 minutes. There are many other types of rice out there, and cooking them requires slight adjustment. But you will find that most of the cooking approach is very similar. I hope this video give you the idea of how easy it is to cook rice, and you can use different approaches to see which one that might fit you best. Thank you for watching. See you next time, and please stay safe.